Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If your printer won't print, you're not alone. This is a really common issue, and most of the time it's caused by stuck print jobs. The fix is quick, it's easy, and it happens in the print spooler. Let's walk through it together. Okay. So first, we're going to stop the print spooler. This service manages everything that gets sent to the printer. So on your keyboard, press Windows plus R. Okay. Type services dot MSC, press enter. Once the services window opens, scroll down until you find Print Spooler. Okay. You right click it and you choose stop. Give it a second. This is normal. You know. Now we're going to clear out any print jobs that might be stuck or corrupted. Okay, so press OK, exit out. Let's go to Windows folder. And from here, we gotta get to the Windows folder. Windows. Let's go to System 32. From System 32, we go to Spool. There you go. And then printers. Okay. So usually inside of this folder, if you have any issues with your printer, you would find files, a bunch of them probably, the ones that you can print. So make sure you delete everything if you have anything here. These will be old print jobs, and they're often the reason PDFs and XPS files won't print. Okay, so let's just move on to, since we know the folder is empty, let's get off this window, and we're gonna go back to services. We're gonna right click on the print spooler again, and this time we're gonna start. Just click start. This gives the printer a clean slate and lets it accept the new print job normally. Okay, so press OK, exit out, and now we're gonna test the print. So let's open Control Panel. Okay, let's go to Hardware and Sound and View Devices and Printers. From here, we go to Printers and Scanners. Let's go back. Make sure you pick the right printer. So I'm going to be using the print to PDF. And from here, click printer properties. Let's double check the ports. Okay, so we got the correct port, but also sometimes you can just go ahead and print to the file. But for this practice, we're just gonna go to local port. Press OK, so it's everything good. Let's check the queue. Nothing there. So let's go ahead and click print page. Let's test it. Desktop, PDF, okay. Let's save it. Okay, so let's double check the print. Okay, no print jobs. Let's exit out. If the test page prints, the printer and the spooler are both good. Okay, so here we are. So as you guys see, the printer is back on, working properly. And like I said, most PDFs and XPS printing issues are fixed just by restarting the spooler and clearing stuck jobs. If this helped you out, leave a like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more quick help desk fixes. Thanks for watching.